Hello, in front of me I've got Logitech PRO X SUPERLIGHT 2C. In this video I'll show you how to enable accidental scroll wheel touch prevention. In the beginning, let's go to Logitech G HUB and go to device settings. Go to scroll wheel. Switch this button and it's set. Thanks to this function, G HUB mode helps prevent unintended jumping if the scroll wheel is accidentally bumped. When enabled, the mouse will ignore the first scroll event unless second scroll occurs within the time window defined on the slider. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.